there's one more thing we need to do to finalize our setup in VS Code, and it involves a feature called the command palette. To bring up the command palette, you can use the following keyboard shortcut. It's the Command key along with Shift and P. The command palette is like a VS Code specific terminal. We can use it to issue text commands to the editor. We use our arrow keys to navigate the commands, and then the Enter key to execute. We can also use the search bar up top to filter the commands. For example, I can search for preferences, and here are a whole bunch of commands related to preferences. I can filter this down further by adding something like color, and this command right here, preferences color theme, allows us to set the color theme of the editor. So I can press Enter here. Once again, use my arrow keys to navigate my options, and then press Enter to confirm. So that's a quick introduction to the command palette. We just want to execute one command in there. So once again, to bring it up, it is Command Shift P. And we want to search for this command, shell space command. And this very first one, shell command install code command in path, is what we want. So press Enter. It's going to give you this nice confirmation modal. You can press OK, and that is it. So what did we just do? What that just did is it added VS Code to our terminal. It allows us to use a new terminal command called code, C-O-D-E, in all lowercase, to open VS Code from the terminal. Furthermore, if you are in a specific directory in your terminal and you want to open that folder specifically, the folder that you are within, you can open that with the command code followed by a space and a dot. The dot means the current directory, so code followed by dot means open VS Code in the current directory. And when VS Code opens, it's going to show you all the files and folders within that directory. So your Rust projects are going to be regular folders on your computer that consists of multiple files, and you can navigate into any of them and press code dot to open it specifically in VS Code. The terminal is not the only way to accomplish this. For example, in VS Code, you can go up to get to the main menu, click File, and click Open Folder, and that will allow you to choose the folder using the regular Mac Finder tool. But now we have access to the same feature from your terminal. Later on in this section, you're going to download all of the course materials, and they're going to consist of individual Rust projects, each one of which is going to live within a separate folder. So now you can use your terminal application to navigate to the correct folder for a given section, and then again, just use code dot to open VS Code within that directory, and that should immediately open the project. All right, that's all set up. We don't have to worry about this anymore or at any point moving forward. And with that, I'll see you in the next lesson.
For watching the video till the end, please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion. Thanks again for being part of our community. See you in the next video.